Why, oh why, oh why, is it always have to be a race against time? 20% chance of rain, which of course, since I have an unsealed cover, means that it's gonna rain. Now, running out of time. Running out of time. Well, I got it all duct taped. I'd love to be able to take the duct tape off and actually, seal it properly, but every time I think that it's okay to do so, another dark, ominous cloud starts rolling in overhead, and I'd really hate to be halfway through it and have it start raining. So, kind of stuck right now. So I'm just sitting on my ladder and waiting for the clouds to pass. But there it is, all nice and new and white and pretty looking. If only I could get the stuff around it so that it actually, is waterproof. That'd be great.